Happy 2023, this is the year of the rabbit. Many of you may worry about what kind of gifts you can give to your friends in the new year. Actually, the handmade present can most show our gratitude. Try to make a bakery for the gift. I will show a new version of the Chinese dessert of the rabbit-shaped Taro cake combining the pastry crust of Cantonese mooncake with the stuffing of taro and mochi. Super simple, and let's get it started. The first step is the pastry mold selection. When we buy the cake mold, we need to check the size of the mold. For today's recipe, I choose the mold of 50 grams with the cute rabbit shape. In the stuffing making, I prepared taro and purple sweet potato. Cut them into small pieces for easier mashing later. And steam for 20 minutes. For my recipe, I don't use any blender to crush the stuffing. Just use the spoon to push the steamed taro and purple sweet potato to make a puree. It can better retain the texture of taro and sweet potato. After finishing this work, add small amount of milk for several times and it will gradually become like this. Put the puree into the pot. Add sugar, corn syrup, and melted butter. Adjust the heat well and start to fry the stuffing. Keep medium fire to toast and fry. The state of the stuffing will gradually become smoothly and until thickened. Finally, stay it cool and refrigerated. I also add mochi in the middle of taro stuffing. Mix with glutinous rice flour, cornstarch, and sugar. Add the milk into the flour until smoothie texture. Cover with plastic wrap. Poke a few holes and steam for 20 minutes. After steaming mochi, add butter and stir to fully absorb the butter. Wear the gloves, pull it, and make the mochi juicy. This pastry crust, firstly put the conventional syrup, corn oil, alkaline water into the bowl with the plain flour and mix well by using chopsticks. Then wear the gloves to make a dough and cover with plastic wrap. Put it into the fridge. Take out the stuffing and pastry crust from the fridge. Portion them with small balls. For assembling, firstly take out the taro stuffing and press it into the shape of the small ball. Put mochi stuffing inside and close it by using the place between the thumb and index. Round the dough. In the same way, take out a pastry crust. Press it down to flatten and tie it up by the fingers. Round the dough again. The small dough needs to slightly roll it into a cylindrical shape and put into the mold. Press it upside down on the baking tray covered with baking paper. Remember not to shake or move the baking paper when pressing. Spray some water on the cakes and put them into preheated oven for finalizing the design around 6 minutes. During this period, we need to prepare some egg yolk water and thinly coat it on the cakes. And finally baking for 12 minutes. The taro cakes stand out with the aroma with the traditional Chinese pastry. Each rabbit is shiny and appetizing. The cross-section highlights the sense of hierarchy. It's lovely and delicious, and the most important thing is that it is handmade to show your mind. The rabbit in the Asian Chinese zodiac symbolizes good luck. Wish you a happy new year, and everything will be in the good direction in 2023.